Hi everyone, my name is Saurav Vasab Chaudhary. Today date is 15 January 2022 and today's topic name is difference between abstract class and interface. So in this video we will be discussing about difference between the abstract class and interface and why we should use the abstract class and interface and the example of the abstract class and the interface. So let's start with the what is the abstract class and the interfaces. Basically, by using the abstract class and interface, we achieve the abstraction. So what is mean by abstraction? Abstraction is a process in which we can hide the implementation details and showing the functionality to the user. In other words, we hide the unnecessary details and showing the essential data to the user. This is called as the abstraction. And to achieve abstraction, there are two ways. First one is by using abstract class, and second one is by using interface. So by using abstract class, we achieve the 0 to 100% abstraction, and by using interface, we achieve the 100% abstraction. In abstract class contain abstract methods as well as non-abstract methods, and the variables of the abstract class are the static, non-static, final, non-final. But in case of interface contain the only abstract methods, and variables are the by default final and the static. And abstract class, to make any class abstract class, we need the abstract methods in this class, at least one abstract method in this class. And to declare any class as abstract class, we use the abstract keyword. And to make any interface as an interface, we use the interface keyword. Next one is the in abstract class. To implement this abstract class, we by using extend keyword, we extend this abstract class to another class and implement the abstract methods in this class. And in interface, to implement the interface, we use the implements keyword. And by using implements keyword, to we implement this interface and implement the all abstract methods of the implements. And the another difference is the by using interface, we can achieve the multiple inheritance, but in abstract class we can't achieve the multiple inheritance. Another, and we can't directly create the object of the abstract class. And so this is the about the abstract class and the interface. So let's discuss the difference between abstract class and interface. In abstract class is a class in which it contains the abstract methods as well as non-abstract methods, but in interface contain only abstract methods. If we don't declare the methods in the abstract interface abstract, by default it considered as the abstract methods. And by using abstract keyword, we make the class as an abstract class. And by using interface keyword, we make the interface as an interface. Next difference is the in abstract class contain the static, non-static, final, non-final variables, and in interface all the variables are the static and final by default. Next difference is in abstract class we can't achieve the multiple inheritance, but in interface we achieve the multiple inheritance. And in abstract class, to implement the abstract class, we use the extend keyword. And to implement the interface, we use the implements keyword. And another difference is abstract class contain the abstract and non-abstract methods, and in interface we call the interface, it works as the abstract class also, because all the methods of the interface are the abstract methods. So by using the abstract class and interface, we can achieve the abstraction. And to this is the all about the abstract class and the interface. means difference between the abstract class and the interface. Thank you.